Welcome to the CryptoNet. So yesterday I did a video on when was the good time to buy and sell very long term on weekly. Now I'm going to do something. I'm going to compare the previous cycle with the current one, and I'm going to emphasize also more what happened after we made our lower low on the previous cycle. Okay, so from the cycle before 2016, from the bottom to the top, we went up 7,862. If I do the same, I take the bottom of the previous cycle up to the higher high of this current cycle, we can see that we did 1,570% about. Now, previous cycle, from the top to the bottom, we went down 84%. And yeah, where is it now? Disappeared? Seriously? Okay. So it's not that. I guess I just deleted. Let's do it again then. So this was the peak. I'm not considering the B wave, okay? And I think that's the trend here. No. Going to be kind of accurate. Anyway, it's not the point for a few dollars. Okay, so we went down 75%, 76%. So we can see that we did less gains, but at the same time, at least we went not as low as the previous one. Now I'm going to emphasize, starting from this lower low, previous lower low of the previous cycle, we went up. What was that? So 300, let's say around it up to 350%. And after that, we moved that. And after that, we went down about 72%. Okay. So to recap, no, this is annoying a little bit. Can I move it? Move it. All right. So 350 and 72. Now I'm going to enlarge here. So we said 350, but unfortunately we only did 106 and 72, but now this is not done yet, right? So we did about 3 times less gains for a moment. And if I just say that we're going to make, I don't know, just half of this corrective movement, because it wouldn't make sense, right? So if I just say, I take the 72% and I just divide it, and I just say, okay, you know what? I'm going to go down. What happened if from our current first spike since our lower low, if I take this level and a price drop about 37%, what happened? Why I bring it that low? Well, first of all, it's because now by doing this new lower low of this cycle, it allowed me to bring and do a very long kind of trend, right? We did touch it here. And so worst case scenario, we can make a bigger corrective movement and go test it again. All right. So if I do that, it's going to bring the price once again at $20,000. So worst case scenario, I would say, even if price from the local top that we did this year drop 37%, it still doesn't invalidate our count. So it's always important to see the bigger picture, right? Now I am on the weekly. We were oversold. Now we regain a little bit, and now we're going down. So it's perfectly inclined of what we have been doing in the previous cycles. Now, for a moment, as you can see also on the MACD, well, for sure the month is not finished, but for a moment we're having a light candle, so a clear candle. So we will see after this week what's going to happen, but we can still go low I kind of, you know, drop another, I don't know how many percent are we going to drop from today price to really in danger. So this is the current price here, kind of. So if we go back there, it means we could drop, you know, 25% and would be perfectly okay again. Still okay. So I'm not bearish, but worst case scenario this happen, I will not freak out. I'll actually accumulate more. I don't know how. I will try a way to find some more funds to invest at those levels. All right, so this is pretty much all the update I wanted to share with you on Bitcoin. So no FUD, keep the faith, and well, you know, if you trust Bitcoin, if you believe in Bitcoin, well, for sure it's going to be stressful. It is stressful every time there is a big drop. You know, it's a big drama. Everybody's dying and everybody's ruined, and that's it. Crypto is dead. And then the day after, everything spring again, and then the sunshine, and that's it. Everybody's happy. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Give you another perspective on price direction and how worse can it get and still be positive. All right, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Once again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.